Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a content manager on Wix. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to organize and manage your website's content more efficiently, whether you're showcasing products, blog posts, or portfolios. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll want to click on Site and Mobile App. When you do this, a drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to various site management options. This is your central hub for controlling different aspects of your website. From this drop-down menu, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment here to make sure that this is indeed the website where you wish to add your content manager. It's always good to double-check, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. This ensures you're making changes to the correct project. Once you've confirmed you're working with the right website, locate the Design Site button. You'll find this at the top part of your screen, typically positioned beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the website editor, where all the magic happens. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. After clicking, you'll be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you can customize your site's layout, design, and content. Now focus on finding the CMS button, which stands for Content Management System. You'll see this on the left navigation menu. Click on it to access the Content Manager features. The CMS or Content Manager menu will now expand, revealing several powerful options for organizing your website's content. From here, you have the flexibility to add a preset collection. These presets include things like item lists, projects, services, latest news, portfolios, and many other collective content types. These are pre-designed templates that make it quick and easy to get started with structured content. Alternatively, if you prefer more control and want to create something custom, you can click on Create a Collection. This gives you 3 distinct options to choose from. You can create with AI, which uses artificial intelligence to help build your collection based on your needs. You can start from scratch, giving you complete creative freedom to design your collection exactly how you want it. Or you can import from CSV, which is perfect if you already have existing data in a spreadsheet format that you want to bring into your Wix site. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed the Content Manager on Wix, and you're now ready to organize your website's content in a structured, professional way. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.